of people in their comments, they say that a lot of people that are supporting you, they're paid agents, they're given money, or they say that we are AI chatbots and we don't have real people here. So what do you have to say about that?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Many people saying that we hired chatbots or bots for commands, and we are getting funds from someone. So first of all, if you see that those people are real and mostly are from Indonesia, Malaysia, then you can find people from Pakistan, people from Bangladesh, even there is some people from India. And how is it possible that no one can use these chatbots for their own channels, but we are using it? How is it possible? These people are real, and if you go to their channels to look up, you can see these people are from different countries, and they made accounts in different dates and years. So if you think these are commands by bots, and if you know about these type of platforms, if you repeat the same commands again and again, then they will filter your commands and they remove all of your commands. And if you see these commands are not removing, and their system is very advanced, and they can catch bots very quickly, and they remove these type of bots and chats from their systems. So if you still see these commands on every videos, most dreams videos, then you have to believe this. These are not chatbots. These are real people, and they are commenting there. And if you see, many platforms are very aggressive on bots, and they do not allow any bots or other system on their platforms, and they remove these type of bots and commands. But if you still see there, it means they are real people.
Okay, so Qasim bhai, the next question is, and has bro Qasim seen dreams about Shia or Iran? Will they join Pakistan later? Because some of Shia Hadith narrations give details about Mehdi, that some Sunni people say this could be Shia Mehdi.
There is not much dreams about Iran and Al-Tashri, so I can't say anything clearly. So Allah knows best. When I have dream about it clearly, then inshallah I will share it.
Okay, has Qasim bhai seen dreams? Who joined the Jal from Isfahan? Again, this is from Iran. No dream about that. From Isfahan.
I don't know. When the Dajjal comes, a lot of people joins him, not from a specific location. Around the world will join the Dajjal.
Next question is, बहुत से फ़िरके हैं, सब एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ हैं. ख़वातीन की नमाज में उन्हें मर्दों की तरह सिजदा करना चाहिए या सिमट कर नमाज पढ़नी चाहिए? और औरत का पर्दा चेहरे का है, या अगर चेहरे का ना किया जाए और बाकी जिस्म कवर्ड हो तो क्या काफ़ी है? अगर आपने इन बारे में कोई ख्वाब देखा तो प्लीज़ बताएं. پہلا سوال یہ ہے، خواتین کی نماز میں انہیں مردوں کی طرح سجدہ کرنا چاہیے یا سمٹ کر نماز پڑھنا چاہیے؟ خواتین کا پوچھا
اس طرح کا تو مجھے نہیں آیا.
دوسرا سوال یہ ہے، اور عورت کا پردہ چہرے کا یا اگر چہرے کا نہ کیا جائے اور باقی جسم کور ہو تو کیا کافی ہے؟
پہلا جو سوال ہے کہ میں نے ڈریم میں دیکھا کوئی بھی ایسے کہ عورت کی نماز جو ہے اس کے متعلق کوئی ڈریم میں دیکھا تو میں کچھ کہہ نہیں سکتا. تو دوسرا یہ کہ اگر چہرہ ڈھکا ہوا نہیں ہے باقی جسم ڈھکا ہوا ہے تو بالکل ٹھیک ہے، کوئی مسئلہ نہیں ہے. اور میرے خیال سے اسلام میں چہرے کو ڈھانپنا ضروری نہیں ہے.
چہرہ
لیکن اگر کوئی عورت پردہ یعنی نقاب پہننا چاہے تو اس کو روکا بھی نہیں جا سکتا.
زیادہ
تو وہ ان کی اپنی وہ مرضی ہے. صحیح ہے.
ٹھیک ہے. اچھا، السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ. قاسم بھائی introduced Rumi from Indonesia. I want to ask the daily life of Bhai Qasim when he was teenager with his parents. What are you doing so you have a good dream? ایسا آپ کیا کرتے تھے جو آپ کو اچھے خواب آتے تھے جب آپ ٹین ایجر تھے، تو آپ کا کیا روٹین تھا؟
There is nothing there is no work is related to dreams. I think these dreams comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I think it's only the mercy of Allah. Allah have shown those dreams so I don't think so there is some good deed or anything else that make it happen. Dreams coming, I am seeing those dreams, so no, only it's the mercy of Allah.
So the next question is from Harry in Indonesia, and he has two questions. One about Yajuj Majuj. He says he's asking how will they disappear from the earth. And question number 2 is he's asking you if you've seen Prophet Khizr alayhi salam in your dreams.
About Yajuj Majuj, I never have seen any dream where Yajuj Majuj got killed by someone. I only see when we are going to join Isa alayhi salam, then Yajuj Majuj attack on our train and I killed them by the Nur of Allah. And I only killed a few Yajuj Majuj with the Nur of Allah and not kill them all. But in my own thinking, according to my dreams, because they isolated in the cave, in a big cave, and they disconnected to the whole world. So they can be strong, in their bodies can be strong, their arms, their legs can be strong, but they might be very weak against diseases, viruses, bacteria. Their immune system might not be strong as today's like humans. So when they came out from the cave and destroyed the world, and maybe within after weeks or something they got a virus or bacteria, and because of their immune system is very weak, then they started to die with this disease. Allah knows best. This is on my own research or thinking. I have not seen any dream.
Prophet Khizr alayhi salam.
No, I never ever seen Prophet Khizr alayhi salam in my dreams. No.
Okay, so the next question is Apriyadi from Palembang, Indonesia. I want to ask if during the peacetime 7 years after the Third World War, what was the condition of the Muslims at that time? Were there still many who did not believe in your dreams?
After World War III, there is old dreams. There is no new dream, but in old dreams I see even non-Muslims also saying that he's a truthful person, and the whole world also, including Muslims, non-Muslims, say that he's a truthful person and Allah helping him, and he successful because of Allah help me. So these type of dreams I have seen. After dream sharing, I did not see any dream like yes, maybe there is one or two dreams, but I'm not remembering it. I think
Okay. The next question is کہ میرا سوال یہ ہے کہ سید محمد قاسم صاحب نے خواب میں دجال کے ساتھ جنت اور جہنم کو دیکھا، جیسے کہ حدیث پاک میں اس کا آیا ہے، تو کیا اس حوالے سے بھی سید قاسم صاحب کو خواب آیا ہے؟ دجال کے ایک ہاتھ میں جنت دوسرے ہاتھ میں جہنم؟
نہیں، میں نے ایسا تو نہیں دیکھا، لیکن یہ دیکھا ہے کہ جو دجال کو جوائن کرتا ہے تو وہ اس کو محل دیتا ہے، اس کو لگژری لائف دیتا ہے، اس کو دوبارہ سے ینگ کر دیتا ہے، اور جو چاہتا ہے اس کو وہ دیتا ہے. تو شاید وہ یہ چیز جنت کو ریپریزنٹ کر رہی ہو، اور جو اس کو نہیں مانتا تو وہ اس پہ اتنی اذیتیں دیتا ہے، ان کا کھانا پینا، ان کا پانی، سب کچھ بند کر دیتا ہے. تو آپ خود اندازہ لگائیں کہ ایک انسان بغیر کھائے پیے کتنے دن زندہ رہ سکتا ہے. تو اس طرح سے میں نے دیکھا کہ جو اس کو ماننے والے ہیں ان کو وہ بہت سی سہولتیں دیتا ہے، اور جو نہیں مانتا تو ان کو وہ بہت بہت زیادہ اذیت دیتا ہے، یہاں تک کہ وہ موت کو آ جاتی ہے.